Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will making a tutorial video about two input simulation of gate with Tinkercad. Now, let's get started. Now, this is a gate table. This is a gate symbol. This one, and or and node, X node, and X node. Now, I will making a tutorial video without none because this segment says none, so none. Now let's get started. Now this my creation Tinkercad. There is a power supply, uh, so, dip switch, LED, resistor, and gates. These are quad gates. Yes, and all NAND gate and all and XOR. Now there are no XOR because the Tinkercad there's no XOR in Tinkercad. So anyways, let's begin. So what I'm gonna do is let's start this and gate. So I'll just back this. Then I'm gonna put a wire like this, this, and like. Then I'm gonna change the color. One red, one black. Okay, once it's done, then start simulation. Well, nothing happened. Yes. So if I turn this number one switch, number two, as you can see, the LED is on. Okay. So AND gate. So what is AND gate? So AND gate is for return to only if both input are true. So this is two table. Input A, output F. Stack. Oh, and like this. Sorry, my bad. Okay, and next is OR gate. Let's test that. Start simulation. As you can see, the device is broken because both take too much power. So what I'm gonna do is test out. Oh, forgot. Okay, there's a bit problem. Okay, as you can see, well, 1, 2 is on. Okay. Okay, I think there's no problem. This okay. Okay, what is get? So get is return to if at least one of the input is true. Okay, this is get. Okay, these are inputs. Okay, then is that and thanks. Okay, forward. Up. Okay, let's just that. Okay, split too much power. Okay, split. Because it's too much power. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is fix it. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, I think I figured out how to fix it. Turns out all I have to do is this. And okay, give me a minute. Okay, so, like this. Okay, that sounds seems a bit of a problem. This and okay, that's all. So what is that? So that is I mean and it means return the opposite. I mean opposite negation of n. It returns true unless both inputs are true. And this is not. Okay, x is no. Okay, I mean n over. Okay, okay. Well, well, what I'm gonna do is Start. Okay, LED is off, so I add this. Okay, seems fine. After. So the LED is on. I think it's fine. Yes. Okay, so why is end off? So end off is returned to if exactly one of the input is true, but not both. Okay, this end off. This should end off. There's speed up problem. Okay, only two is on. Okay, next is X off. Okay, start. Okay, yes. Number two is slow. X off. Okay, number two, number one is the LED is on, but if I switch number two, the price bar turns too high. Seems fine. Okay, why is X on? So X off is return the upside of X off. Wait, return two if exactly one of the inputs to is two, but not but. Okay, the this and on. What I mean is return the upside of X. Okay, okay, this X. Okay, that's all. My apologies for my mistake. The problem. Okay, my name is Raditya Kuncorojati. Name 123456123490024. Rekayasa Instrumentasi dan Automasi. Kasih. Bye.